Yo guys, this video is absolutely crazy because I'm crazy being out here in this weather. So stay tuned. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Oh, I always hate that hill. Here we go. Well guys, today I am on an expedition to get after some fish in some rain. So it's raining right now, pretty hard, but it's 35 degrees, which means I don't have to wear like my hardcore ice fishing gear, which isn't really waterproof right now. So I'm trying out my new rain gear that I got from Christmas that I've been wanting to use for a while. So let's get to this lake and get us some fish. Hi little guy. All right, here at Kennedy, definitely gonna be a wet one, but that's okay, because I couldn't sit in the house any longer. I had to get out here. Sorry guys, next time you see me, I'll be on the water. Well, before I get on the ice, guys, always remember, safety first. It's raining. Talking about ice. Rain and ice don't really mix, so always remember, safety first when it comes to this stuff. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually not too horrible out here for temperature wise, but it is snowing now instead of raining. Like, actually it's more like a sleet than it is a snow, because it's pegging me right in the eye. Coming down kind of like a little hail. Pegging me in my hands. Oh! Yeah, a bunch of fish come up on me. I get some type of something on my hand, it hurts. That was a fish. What we got here? Largemouth bass. Whew. Pays off, we came out here finally. Got a little guy, little largy. Whew. That's what I'm talking about. All right, buddy. Let's get you back. Sweet. Hopefully you guys seen that catch. You guys are soaked. Sorry about that. So this honestly is probably one of the best things I've seen. It's so beautiful when you just have a nice snowfall just going down on you while you're out here fishing. It's just crazy. So beautiful too. Might be dangerous going home, but that's what they make 4x4 for. All right, guys. I'm getting out of here before the storm takes off. Cause this ain't like the light snow either. If this is light snow, I could probably stay out here for a while, but this is pretty thick. Like, look at my sled. Look at my sled. That's just from being here for, how long have I been here? About an hour I've been here. It's already got a half inch on there. Yeah. I better. I got like a half an hour drive, which ain't terrible. Maybe even 20 minutes. But still, I just don't want to be stranded out here or see myself in the ditch. Not jinxing myself, because I really don't want to be in the ditch. But definitely have to take stuff home, because Even look at my Vexilar. I can barely even read it. We ended up not using minnows. That wasn't smart of me. But, alright guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed me coming out here. I know I didn't get a lot of fishing in, and I'm sorry about the snow hitting you guys on the camera. It is snowing really hard, as you can see from in the video earlier, but I just needed to get out here and get some fishing done. It actually is really beautiful to be out here. I don't know if the video is going to do justice of how beautiful it is out here. It's coming down really hard, but I thank you guys for watching, and like always, go down there. If you liked it, hit that like button, and right next to it is that red button, so go ahead and smash that red button if you already haven't. And I thank every single one of you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.